We are going to see the topic called problem solving in Python, and moreover we are going to see the just two sample program where I am going to show the demo and execute in the Python ideally 3.8 also. The first question here, two programs are going to see. One is called generate prime numbers, another one is called print the simple calculator using Python. So first one, the question here, implement Python script to generate prime numbers series up to n. For example, already the value will be 1 like that. So you have to give the n value. Whenever you give value 25 up to 25, the Python program will generate the answer, generate the prime numbers. So let's go the program here. So I already have program here opening here due to time save. Just to open. Desktop, sorry, prime number desktop. I have prime number program. So all you know what is prime number. Prime number is nothing but a number where the value always should be greater than 1, and number divided by a number is that the number is divided by 0 means it won't be a prime number. This is a basic concept you remember. So here the program starting here, starting value is called 1 I am giving, then n for input, get the input from the user, so I am using input of enter the number, then print prime numbers between starting value comma and nr, then I am giving the for loop. So it will be useful here for num in range of starting value comma n plus 1, then I am giving the condition if number greater than 1, because prime number means the number should be always greater than 1 only. Then I am giving the for range operation. So range function for I in range of 2 comma int of num by 2 plus 1, then if num divided by is num division by I is equal to 0, break, else print the number. So here what you understand means you know the starting value here and n plus value. Suppose you are giving starting value is already 1. Suppose you are giving 25 up to 25 to generate 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So all the you have to start the 2 comma int of num by 2 plus 1 for and get the logic here. So whenever the number divided by 0 whenever the number divided by 0 number divided and the answer comes 0 means it never be a prime number. So it will go and keep on go to the next series, keep on going, and finally get the answer here. Just I am going to run the program here. So if no traceback error, we can, for example, I want to type up to 25, I want to jump to the prime number 1, 3 and so on. So it's showing 2. So we arrange a for loop by given 2, that reason you start the answer, give the answer from 2 only. If you give 1, it will say 1, but we give 2 only. So from 2 to what value given up to generate the output here. So up to 25, these are the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 like that. Okay, next program. So easy and simple. Where if you have C knowledge, it will be useful to understand. A program asks you to develop a Python program that performs arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on integers. Input the two integer values and operator for performing various performing arithmetic operation through the keyboard. For this you can use the called function or you can use a simple. So very easy. You can use for loop. For better solution is you can use the elif format. So in C language you have switch statement. In here it's not possible. So already have a program. Just I am going to open the program here. Program called simple calculator. Open. Desktop. Simple calculator. So what we are going to do, we are going to simply do the program where we are going to call the function called the definition calculator, where we are going to apply the operations. You know, all of you simple calculator means we have to do the operation like a plus, minus, so addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Then we are the user going to give the input, we are going to give the input, so we have to give the operation is equal to input of select and operator. The previous session I told everything what is the input function, how do you get, how the input will work and what is the difference between raw input and the input also. So operation is equal to input of select and operator and the print of enter two numbers. So whenever I execute the program, the user have to give the number 1 value and number 2 value. These are using the integer data type only. So if operation first the print statement given calculate. So if operation is equal to plus, you will add the operation. So you can give the statement print of number underscore 1 plus number underscore 2, because we are given like this in the program. So if you want, simply you can give AB also. A is called int of input, B is called int of input, and you can write print of A plus B like that, your wish. Then elif, if condition fails, you can give another operation, you can give minus, so it is for subtract number, same print of number underscore 1 minus number and so underscore 2 and so on. You can give multiplication and division. So what else? Finally, if we not give 4 options, what will happen? If you instead of press another value like that equal to or something, what happen? It will say invalid output also. At last we have to call a function call, that is calculate, where we declare in the program. So simple and easy. In the Python problem solving, you can easily generate the Python calculate program. So we have to add the, just we can give the operations print of plus 1 and the operation equal to int input of select an operator, where if we give the choices, if no error, it will ask the choices. Just I am giving, execute the program here. So first we check for value of invalid. So I am just giving, sorry, see, I am just giving at. What will happen here? So just checking here. So invalid output. So if you press instead of the symbols anything, it will say invalid only. I am going to show just 2 outputs at least, so better understanding. Run. I am running the program. So I am going to give the first operation plus here. So it's for additional number. So I am giving the numbers like 78. Then I am giving 8. I am giving another value given 2 and entering. Answer is 10 exactly, and you will get the answer. So successfully simple calculator generated. There is no error. I am saying another operation, that is multiplication. Just to go run here, run model. So multiplication symbol, you know, asterisk. Sorry, here. So just I am giving, enter the numbers 25. Another number I am giving 2. So answer will be 50. Yes. So we have executed successfully the Python simple calculator program. So like that you can generate the simple calculator, prime numbers, so on easily. Okay, these are things I want to say about this basic programming of Python. Next session we will see the data types, continue, list and etc. Okay, please, these are the very simple program you can execute anytime, and problem solving is easy. So if you know that you can generate the Fibonacci series, everything, and you should be strong in the logic. If you are strong in the logic, whether C or Python, you can do it yourself. Okay, okay. So like that you can do simple programs very easily in the Python and execute also easily. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment and share this channel link to the friends and family members. Thank you.